crack, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Kazzie here. I hope you're all doing well. In this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing that I am ridiculously excited about. This is not sponsored in any way. I made this order myself after I found out that international shipping was now a thing. It arrived today and I made myself wait, and I washed my hair and I put some makeup on, but I was too lazy to put my lenses in, so that's why we're rocking the glasses today. Yes, let's get into this unboxing before I just rip this box open. What's up, guys? Editing Kazzie here. I just wanted to let you know that I actually filmed this video about maybe 3 or 4 weeks ago. We all know that I'm lazy, and so that's why I haven't got around to editing it since until now. So when I say that this box arrived today, it pretty much arrived about a month ago. Back to the video. My friends and I were having this rant about the fact that there's not really any merchandise out there for fandom that is aimed at women. Yes, there's plenty of shirts out there, but they're all, you know, round necks that come up to here, and I don't really like that. Half the time I don't even really like this top that I'm currently wearing, but it's clean, so that's why I'm wearing it. A lot of the time men's shirts just don't sit well on my frame in particular. Then whatever merch isn't for men, they're for children. But what's out there for women is pretty much literally just prints and Funkos, and I have quite a collection of Funkos at the moment. There's nothing out there that I particularly want, and what I do want doesn't exist until I find Think Geek. As I said, this is not sponsored at all. A couple of years ago I wanted to make an order with Think Geek because they had a Chewbacca camera bag. I'll let that sink in for a second. They had a camera bag that was like Chewbacca. I have this cushion, but just imagine this but as a camera bag. Yeah, I wanted to get it, but they didn't have international shipping. So fast forward to last week when I saw this beautiful item on the website. I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna get it because I'm never going to find anything like that again. And Think Geek actually have plenty of things out there for women. They have beautiful handbags. There's a gorgeous Agent Carter one. There's one for Captain Marvel. There's a Black Widow tote bag. There are just so many gorgeous things on that website. International shipping is not a thing. Yes. Thank you, Jesus. I have my trusty little nail scissors here, so let's get into the box. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. My favorite character in the Marvel Cinematic Universe is Scarlet Witch, Wanda Maximoff. I adore her beyond words, beyond reasoning, and her and Vision, my babies. My babies. So when I saw this online, I just had to get the entire thing, and the first item is this purse, which has the Scarlet Witch emblem on it. This is more like the comic books take on her costume, and then it has the emblem in this button here as well, and on the back it says Marvel by Loungefly. This is who this purse is by. It is a very spacious purse, and I need a lot of space in my purse, and there's plenty of space in the center for your coins, and the inside lining has Marvel printed all over it as well, so that is very exciting. I am in love with it. Like, I'm very excited for this because I'm going on a cruise holiday in September, and you don't need cash on you whenever you're walking around the ship, so I probably just put my SeaPass card in this, use one side of it for my phone, like put my phone in there. Let's see if my phone will fit in here. So phone, thing, boom. That's all I will need to carry around with me in the evenings on a cruise. It's just the perfect color for Wanda. And it's like her jacket, you know, the jacket that she steals off of Black Widow in Age of Ultron. It's just perfect. It's perfect. Don't you be focusing on Katharine Hepburn. Thank you, camera. No, focus on me. Me. Thank you. I also got this shirt right here, which also has Scarlet Witch on it. This is more from Civil War. And I'm sorry if you can hear the Hoover, because my mother just decided that even though she knows that I am filming, she just decided to just do the hoovering. Thank you, Mother dearest. It has this gauze insert at the back, which I actually thought was really, really cool. But then it's just then see-through at the back, if I can get my... Yeah, you can just like see it's see-through at the back here. And it was only $5 on the website, so I couldn't resist it. It's just a very nice print. It doesn't feel like it's going to peel off at any point in time, so very nice quality, and it's very soft material as well, so I'm happy about that. No idea when or if I'll wear it, but if I wear that on holiday, definitely talking point. And now for the pièce de résistance and the whole reason I made this order. If you thought the purse was ridiculous, just wait until you see the handbag. Rest of plastic. Dun, 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 dun. Isn't it gorgeous? Oh my gosh, I absolutely am in love with it. Just look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. It is such a gorgeous color of red. It probably looks more red on camera, but it looks so stunning. It has the emblem here, and then the button that is the same on the purse. They're both got the same design, and then they both have the Marvel Loungefly logo at the back. And it also comes with a strap so you can make a crossbody, which is so useful, especially if you're traveling, because sometimes I think a crossbody is a lot safer than just having it on your arm. I also like to have the choice of going between under the arm and across a body. Hey, I'm a woman. I'm allowed to have choice, okay? Paper, paper, silica, silica. On the inside, there is a flap just in case you want to put your phone or your car keys. There is a zip pouch as well, which is always useful. On the inside is just a compartment. There's no smaller compartments or things to narrow it down, but you can probably get one of those, you know, handbag organizational things. It is just so gorgeous. It is just so gorgeous. Yep, this is a Christmas mug from Starbucks. Sometimes you just gotta drink your drinks out of a Christmas mug in the middle of May. Words can't describe how much I am in love with this bag. I am so glad that I got it. It is beautiful, and it's the perfect size for me, because this is the size of the handbag that I usually have. This is 9 West, and I got that on Brilliance of the Seas this past August. It can carry my brand new purse, and I can hold a book and my keys and everything else that I will need in here, and it's I've always wanted a fandom related handbag. I have my satchel that is Wanted and Extremely Dangerous from Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them. Half the time I don't really want to use a satchel. This is just perfect, because then obviously anybody that knows Marvel will know that this is Scarlet Witch related. I'm just so excited now to have a bag and matching purse and a t-shirt that is Wanda Maximoff related. And so now I can be happy in that I can actually have now Wanda related merchandise, because there's not a lot of Wanda related merchandise. I'm not going to get into that rant right now because it is a very lengthy rant, because anytime I am looking for fandom related stuff that is Marvel related, it's always Captain America, Iron Man, Thor. Literally those three. There's not a lot for Scarlet Witch or for Vision. Those are my two favourites, so of course I'm going to be wanting to get the merch for them. But as I said, that's neither here nor there. This is all about this bag. This video is probably a hell of a lot longer than it probably should have been, but that's what happens when you're excited and you ramble and your mother decides to do the hoovering in the middle of it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already and you want to see more fandom related videos like this, and I will see you in my next one.